Alright everyone, welcome back to RoamTips.com. Today we're diving into something super useful, how to update your Apple Watch. I'm going to walk you through two simple methods, so stick around. Just a heads up, this is based on my personal experience, and I'll drop all the relevant links in the description below for you. First things first, we need to make sure your iPhone is rocking the latest version of iOS. Let's head over to your iPhone. Open your Settings app, scroll down to General, and tap on it. Then find Software Update. Your phone will check for updates. If you see one, hit Update Now. Make sure you're connected to Wi-Fi and have at least 50% battery, or better yet, plug it into a charger. Okay, iPhone's updated. Now for the Apple Watch. There are two ways to tackle this. I'll show you how to update through the Watch app on your iPhone and how to do it directly on the watch itself. Method 1. Updating via iPhone Watch app. First, make sure your Apple Watch is connected to your iPhone, has over 50% battery, and ideally is plugged in. Open the Watch app on your iPhone. Make sure you're on the My Watch tab in the bottom left corner. Now, scroll down to General and tap it. Next, tap Software Update. It'll automatically search for an update. After a few seconds, if there's an update available, you'll see it pop up. Just tap Download and Install, enter your iPhone passcode, and it'll start downloading the update to your watch. The install will begin shortly after the download. Once it's updated, let's double-check. Go back to the Watch app, then General, then Software Update. After a few seconds, it should confirm you're on the latest version of watchOS. Method 2. Updating directly on Apple Watch. Again, make sure your Apple Watch is connected to your iPhone, has at least 50% battery, and is connected to a charger. Go to the home screen of your Apple Watch. Click the crown button to access the app menu. Find the Settings app. I'm using List View, so I need to scroll. Tap on the Settings app. Scroll down to General, and tap it. Then tap Software Update. It'll automatically search for a new update. If one is available, it'll appear here. Tap the Download and Install button. Now, just wait for your Apple Watch to download the update. Once it's downloaded, it will then begin to install. Heads up, your Apple Watch won't be usable for the next 5 to 10 minutes during the installation. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like. And if you have any questions or comments, drop them below. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.